Welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. Today we're crafting a delectable dessert that's sure to impress, the chocolate brownie cheesecake. A symphony of textures and flavors, from the dense brownie to the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth cheesecake. Let's get baking. We'll start with our rich and fudgy brownie base. Begin by melting the butter and dark chocolate in the microwave. Next, whip the eggs and sugar to ribbon stage and fold with the chocolate mixture. Sift the flour and cocoa powder, then add almond flour and walnut and fold it gently. Add sour cream to achieve a moist brownie base. Pour the batter into 8-inch baking mold and bake it in the preheated oven, 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. Now, let's prep our creamy cheesecake layer. Put mascarpone cheese, cream cheese, sour cream and sugar in a bowl and mix them all together. When it is soft enough, add cornstarch and mix it well. Lastly, add eggs and mix it well. When it's ready, pour it onto baked brownie and cover the bottom of the mold with a plastic wrap. Bake the cake in the water bath in the preheated oven, 120 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit for 120 to 130 minutes. For our final touch, a glossy chocolate ganache. Heat the cream and pour over dark chocolate. Stir to silky perfection. Cool it down and soften it before use. Lavishly spread the ganache and garnish as you wish. And there it is, your chocolate brownie cheesecake, a true showstopper. Enjoy your delicious creation. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep baking and creating.